Do you have a legal question? Many of us do, and you might need advice on maybe a foreclosure or a divorce. Tomorrow you can get legal help from experts for free at Goodman Acker Community Law. And Jerry Acker is here with us this morning to tell us more. Quite a big name in the city.
Thank you, Cam. It's good to be here this morning.
Thank you for joining us. So tell us all about this and what we can glean from all of this.
Well, we're going to do our annual Community Law Day, and we're going to have probably 20 lawyers there at every area that you can want, from personal injury to bankruptcy, mortgage foreclosures, if you have an immigration problem. And we'll have the folks there to answer questions and give you free legal advice. See,
that's great because, you know, we have an on-staff lawyer, and everybody comes up to him and just says, hey, you know, what about this? What about that? I'm sure he doesn't want to be giving out legal advice for free, but this is a day to do that.
That's right.
Okay, so tell us, like, what kinds of questions people will ask you and what kinds of questions you're allowed to answer.
You can ask us any questions, and we're allowed to answer anything you've got. If we don't know the answer, we'll find someone who does. We're going to have about 20 lawyers there, and they can answer just about any question anybody has and get free legal advice and make sure that they've taken care of their rights and they're protected.
Okay, so if I say to you, listen, I'm thinking about going bankrupt, you can sit down with them and spend how much time would you say?
As much time as you need.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. And we've got bankruptcy lawyers coming over, and he'll be able to answer all your questions, and he's terrific and he knows his stuff. And
okay, and would you suggest to the people who are wanting to go to this to bring as much stuff ahead of time? You just don't show up empty-handed, I would presume.
You can show up with stuff. You can show up empty-handed. If you've got your kids with you, we'll have things for the kids to do while you're getting legal advice.
Okay.
And we'll make sure that whatever you need, you'll get taken care of tomorrow.
Okay, so it's tomorrow. Tell us about where it is and when.
It's at the Goodman Acker offices at 17,000 West 10 Mile, and we're there from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we'll have, like I say, 20 lawyers there to answer every question that you could have. All different kinds of topics and subjects. And anything you need, we can answer.
And what's the craziest thing you've ever heard? Can you think of it?
Oh, you would be surprised. Stories that we hear.
I probably wouldn't be surprised.
You would.
But I was going through Yahoo yesterday, and I heard of the woman who called 911. She was at Subway, and she said, I'm calling the police because they put spaghetti sauce, and I wanted marinara sauce on my sandwich. Does she have a case?
She doesn't have a case, but it depends how good the marinara sauce is.
Right. But you probably do you have to kind of weed out a lot of people too, and know what's legitimate and who you can really help.
Sure. In the area that I practice, we do personal injury work. And I would say for every 100 calls that we get, we probably find 5 people who have cases that we can handle.
Oh my gosh.
There's a lot of culling. The same thing goes with medical malpractice and legal malpractice. Most people have a complaint or a problem, but most people don't have cases.
Right.
But we're trained to figure out which ones do and make sure that we take care of them.
All right. Well, good. It's a good thing you're doing. And for more information on the event tomorrow, you can log on to myfoxdetroit.com. We appreciate you being here.
Appreciate you having us.
All right. We'll be right back.